Hi, my name is Clara Goff, and I am Plant's PTSA President for this upcoming school year. On behalf of our entire board, I'd like to give a warm welcome back to all of our faculty, parents, and students, and particularly to our incoming freshmen. We're sorry we were not able to meet at our annual freshman orientation to let you know how excited we are for our new group of Plant Panthers. The core mission for Plant's PTSA is to support and connect the HP Plant community, something that is especially needed now more than ever. The PTSA invests over $30,000 every year into Plant High. The money we collect through our memberships and especially donations allow us to support our teachers and students with such programs as school beautification, our annual Teacher Back to School breakfast, Teacher Appreciation Week, student programming, and helping our students in need participate in Plant activities and clubs. We help parents stay connected to Plant through our bi-monthly Panther Press newsletter, our general membership meetings where you're able to meet with administration and guidance, and our new connectivity tool, Member Hub, where you will learn about all of our volunteer opportunities. Watch for our Panther Press newsletters and Member Hub links soon on how to join, donate, and for overall general communication. We look forward to when we can meet and see each other in person again soon. But until then, please do not hesitate to contact any of us. Welcome back, Panthers.